Hello, welcome back to a new video and welcome to the beautiful Julian Alps. It's a lovely sunny winter day. It's not very cold, as you can see I'm wearing my t-shirt. And today, together with Simone, we are skiing up with our touring skis to a beautiful saddle with a fantastic view over Julian Alps. We're gonna try to build an igloo and sleep inside. It's something I've never done before, so I don't know exactly what we'll end up doing, but I'm super excited. It will be a great adventure. Let's go. On this very wide road. It's very well beaten, so not too much effort even with this huge backpack. It's pretty heavy actually, and we're almost at the hut. It's right over there, Rifugio Grego. We had a very quick stop. Now we're heading in that direction to a sort of saddle. There we are. We are going there. This is the spot. Not bad. Before proceeding, just a quick reminder. On February 1st, my print store will finally be online, so you'll be able to purchase the best images I've taken over the years of my adventures as limited edition prints to hang on your home or office. Click on the link below to sign up to the newsletter for more information, special discounts, and more. Back to the video. So after defining the area we want to set the igloo, what we need to do is to build a snow hill. And then we're gonna dig a cave inside. So it's time to start. Let's go. So this is the hill that we built. It's not very good looking actually. It looks like a tent or something like that. It's not very rounded, very circular, but yeah, that's it. So the snow is not super solid at the moment. It's not very sturdy. I don't think we'll make it to dig a hole inside, so we just need to wait, let it rest. We tried to press it as much as we could with a shovel, but I think it just takes time. As you can see, it's still a bit powdery, so just need to wait. But yeah, we're hopeful. Around us, there's a fantastic view. Sunset light is hitting the mountains, so yeah, we're just enjoying and waiting. I think we're almost done and it looks amazing. .30 p.m. after 3.5 hours of build, we finally finished, and it's so beautiful. Check this out, all the entrance path, and this is the inside. We will fit pretty nicely in it. It's quite big, so there's plenty of room for both of us, the backpacks and all our stuff. So yeah, this will be our home for the night. And all the snow around us should insulate us from the external temperature pretty well. I can't wait. It's time for dinner. Cheers! We got some noodles with vegetables. Com'è?
Non lo so, ho paura di mangiare sta roba.
È buono, a me piace almeno. Now it's time for some tea. Moonlight. The moon is almost full, so it's giving us so much light. Just magical to look at all these mountains, like covered in snow, reflecting the light of the moon. It's so beautiful. It's like 9:30 p.m. It's not very late, but there's not much to do here but rest. Building the IGLOO has been not extremely challenging, but still we're pretty tired. Simone is already sleeping and I'm going to sleep as well. So I wish you a wonderful night. I hope I will be warm and cozy in my sleeping bag, but I'm pretty sure I will, so I can't wait to have some rest. So good night. Good morning. The night has been great. It wasn't very cold, I don't know the exact temperatures, but yeah, I slept amazingly. The next time I'll do something like this, I'll bring a couple thermometers to understand exactly how much the snow is actually insulating from the outside. But what I can tell you is I had a very comfortable sleep. And also being surrounded by this thick layer of snow makes you feel like you're like protected and safe inside. So it's a very nice feeling. So now I'm here alone because Simone already left. He had to go to work. So I'm gonna prep a cup of tea and then I'm ready to leave this shelter. No! So good. The mountains behind me are, as I told you, Julian Alps. The one on the right is Yoff di Montasio. The one behind me is called Yoff Fuart. So the pack is ready. It is huge.
Yoo-hoo! That was a great adventure. See you in the next one.